All right, let's talk about something that could completely change your financial future. It sounds like a dream, right? Well, I'm here to show you how it can become your reality. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, or software, combined with an automated sales funnel that finds customers, nurtures them, and closes sales while you sleep. You need to identify a profitable niche that you're either passionate or knowledgeable about. The key is value. It needs to genuinely solve the problem you identified in week one. Don't overthink it or aim for perfection. Spend this week outlining, creating, and packaging your product. For an ebook, you can use a simple tool like Canva. An automated system is useless without people entering it. But we're not going to pay for ads just yet. We'll start with organic, evergreen traffic sources. You have a product, a funnel, and traffic. This week, you'll look at the data. What's working? What's not? Are people opening your emails? Are they clicking through to your sales page? Hey, Or you can do what I do. You repeat the process. You take what you've learned and build another automated system in a different niche, or a more advanced product for your existing audience. You stack your automated income streams. That's how you build true, lasting wealth in the digital age. This isn't a fantasy. It's a proven step-by-step strategy. So that's the blueprint. The 6-week plan to build your own $10,000 per month set and forget digital system. It's ambitious, yes, but it is absolutely achievable. Thanks for watching, and if you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe for more guides to help you build your digital empire. See you in the next one.